Meaning of infinitive.
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 Infinitive. An infinitive is a type of verb form that serves as a noun, adjective, or adverb in a sentence. It is characterized by the word to followed by the base form of the verb, e.g., to run, to eat. The infinitive can function as the subject or object of a sentence, as well as the complement of certain verbs and adjectives. It is often used to express purpose or intention, as well as to form the basis of various verb tenses and constructions. In short, the infinitive is a versatile and essential component of English grammar.